The iOS update game, why we love it. New iOS updates are always exciting. They bring cool features and make our iPhones even better. It's like getting a brand new phone, but without buying one. These updates are important because they often include security improvements. They keep your data safe and your phone running smoothly. Plus, who doesn't love trying out new features? Whether it's a redesigned home screen or a smarter Siri, there's always something to look forward to. So, let's dive into the latest update and see what Apple has in store for us. Get ready to be amazed by iOS 18.1. iOS 18.1 is here, packed with amazing features and improvements. It's like Apple took everything we loved about iOS 18 and made it even better. This update has something for everyone, from enhanced privacy settings to exciting new camera tricks. And the best part? It's super easy to download and install. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get your iPhone updated to iOS 18.1 and explore all the cool new stuff together. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Ready to experience iOS 18.1? This latest update brings a host of new features and improvements to enhance your iPhone experience. Updating your iPhone is a piece of cake. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to enjoying all the new functionalities. Just follow these simple steps. First, connect to Wi-Fi. This is crucial to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted update process. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. A strong connection will help avoid any potential issues during the download. This will ensure a fast and stable download. Next, open Settings. The Settings app is your gateway to all the customization and updates your iPhone needs. Find the Settings app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon, and tap on it. Then go to General. This section contains all the essential settings for your device. Scroll down the Settings menu and tap on General. Here you'll find various options to manage your iPhone system settings. After that, select Software Update. Tap on Software Update. This will take you to the page where you can check for the latest updates available for your device. Your iPhone will check for any available updates. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Finally, download and install. If iOS 18.1 is available, you'll see it here. This update includes exciting new features and important security enhancements. Tap on Download and Install to start the process. Make sure your iPhone is plugged into a power source to avoid any interruptions. Your iPhone will do the rest of the work. The update will download and install automatically, and your device will restart once it's complete. Once the update is complete, your phone will restart, and you'll be ready to enjoy iOS 18.1. Explore the new features and improvements that make your iPhone even better. Want to use your iPhone in a different language? Whether you're learning a new language or just prefer using your device in your native tongue, changing the language on your iPhone is a breeze. With iOS 18.1, Apple has made it super easy to change the language settings. You can switch to any language you prefer in just a few simple steps. Here's how. First, open Settings. This is where all your iPhone's configurations are managed. Go to your home screen and tap on the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to find General Settings. This section contains many of the core settings for your device. Scroll down the Settings menu and select General. It's usually located towards the top of the list, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Next, choose Language and Region. This is where you can manage all the language-related settings for your iPhone. Tap on Language and Region to access the language settings. Here, you can see the current language your iPhone is using. After that, select iPhone Language. This option will allow you to choose a new language for your device. Tap on iPhone Language at the top of the screen. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list to find the language you want to use. Choose the language you want to use from the list. Make sure to pick the one you're most comfortable with. Confirm your choice by tapping Done in the top right corner to confirm your selection. Your iPhone will then update to display everything in the new language. Your iPhone will now display everything in your chosen language. Enjoy navigating your device in a language that feels right for you. Section 5. Hey Siri, speak my language, customizing Siri's voice. Did you know you can change Siri's language too? It's super easy. Here's how. First, open Settings. Go to your home screen and tap on the Settings app. Next, find Siri and search. Scroll down the Settings menu and select Siri and search. Then, choose Siri Voice. Tap on Siri Voice to access the language and accent options. Now select the language you want Siri to speak. If you want, you can also pick an accent for Siri's voice. Finally, confirm your choice. Tap Done to save your changes. And just like that, Siri will speak to you in your chosen language. Section 6. Apple Intelligence, your smart assistant awaits. Apple Intelligence is your personalized helper, always ready to assist you. It learns your habits and preferences to provide you with the most relevant information at the right time. Whether it's suggesting shortcuts for your daily tasks or reminding you of important appointments, Apple Intelligence is there to make your life easier. You can customize its settings to control what information it accesses and how it interacts with you. To explore Apple Intelligence settings, head over to the Siri and Search section in your iPhone settings. There, you can fine-tune its behavior and discover all the amazing things it can do for you. Section 7 iOS 18.1 unveiled cool new features you'll love. iOS 18.1 isn't just about language settings, it's packed with exciting new features. Here are some highlights. Enhanced privacy. iOS 18.1 introduces even stronger privacy controls, giving you more control over your data and how apps access it. With these new settings, you can decide which apps have access to your location, photos, and even your microphone. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat when it comes to your personal information. Improved camera. Capture stunning photos and videos with the updated camera app. The new features include enhanced low-light performance, allowing you to take clear and vibrant photos even in dim conditions. Plus, the advanced editing tools let you tweak your photos to perfection right from your phone. New features include improved low-light performance and advanced editing tools. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking pictures, these updates will make your photos look better than ever. Redesigned Control Center. The Control Center gets a fresh new look and improved functionality, making it easier than ever to access your favorite settings and shortcuts. You can now customize it to include the tools you use most often, so everything you need is just a swipe away. These are just a few of the many exciting features waiting for you in iOS 18.1. From enhanced privacy controls to a more powerful camera and a redesigned control center, there's something for everyone to love. Update your iPhone today and explore them all. Don't miss out on these incredible new features that will make your iPhone experience better than ever. Whether you're updating for the enhanced privacy, the improved camera, or the new control center, iOS 18.1 has something to offer everyone. Section 8. UK users get early access. Enjoy iOS 18.1. Now, good news for our friends in the UK. iOS 18.1 is rolling out early in the UK, giving you a head start on experiencing all the amazing new features. If you're in the UK, head over to your iPhone settings and check for the update. You'll be able to download and install iOS 18.1 right away and start enjoying all the latest and greatest that Apple has to offer. Section 9. Time to update. iOS 18.1 awaits. With all these fantastic features and improvements, iOS 18.1 is an update you don't want to miss. It's like getting a brand new iPhone without spending a dime. Remember, updating your iPhone is quick and easy. Just connect to Wi-Fi, open your settings, and follow the simple steps outlined earlier. In no time, you'll be enjoying all the latest and greatest that iOS 18.1 has to offer. Section 10. iOS 18.1-. Making your iPhone even smarter. iOS 18.1 isn't just about adding new features, it's about making your iPhone work smarter for you. With enhanced intelligence features and a more personalized experience, your iPhone becomes an even more indispensable part of your life. From suggesting shortcuts to anticipating your needs, iOS 18.1 is like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Explore all the new intelligence features and discover how your iPhone can simplify your daily routine and keep you organized. Section 11. Join the iOS 18.1 party. So what are you waiting for? Join millions of iPhone users worldwide and update to iOS 18.1 today. Experience the latest features, enjoy enhanced privacy and security, and discover a whole new level of personalization. iOS 18.1 is more than just an update. It's a statement. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and their dedication to providing users with the best possible mobile experience. Don't get left behind. Update your iPhone and be a part of the iOS 18.1 revolution.